Welcome back with another video, and today I'll be doing a wig review. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the post notifications so you will never miss a single video. The company name is called Isee Hair. How to contact them is on the back of the box. This wig is an 8-inch, $54.99. Shipping was 2 days with Amazon Prime. This is 150% density, a 13x4 lace frontal wig. Comes with the wig cap. Contact information. Here's what the wig looks like. Super soft. This is the softest hair that I ever received from Amazon. The lace is medium brown. The hairline comes pre-plucked. This is the best pre-plucked wig that I received from Amazon. Here's what the parting section looks like. As y'all can see, when I put it on my skin, it looks very natural, and the knots are not even bleached yet. It does come with 4 combs on the cap with adjustable straps. This is a medium cap. It has no smells. This is a wig that you can get for back to school if you're still in school. I just graduated. This method is for the people that don't know how to bleach knots. I know how to bleach knots, but I don't have a developer right now. And most of the time I don't bleach my knots, even if I do have a developer. So squeeze a little bit out because you don't want to put too much onto the part. I'll hurry up and take my hot comb because this is the best method. Hit the mousse and then hurry up and use a hot comb so it can hold. You can use got to be glue, but I'm not going to use this because I'll switch my wigs up so much. you.